Imagine the world before cities, before writing, before machines. When night fell, there was no electricity to wash away the stars. Above, the heavens blazed with a brilliance we can scarcely imagine today. For our ancestors, this was not just scenery. The sky was a mystery, a guide, a clock, and a storybook, all at once. In the cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia, the Babylonians became the first great sky watchers. On clay tablets, they carved meticulous records, the phases of the moon, the paths of wandering planets, the omens of eclipses. To them, the heavens were tied to earthly fate. A comet was no mere rock of ice and fire. It was a message from the gods, a warning to kings, a sign of victory or disaster. Yet in those omens, a science was beginning to take shape. The Babylonians could predict lunar eclipses centuries in advance. They laid the foundations of calendars, astronomy, and astrology alike. Far to the west, the Egyptians gazed at the same stars through a different lens. To them, the night sky was eternal, a reflection of the divine order of the cosmos. The god Osiris lived in Orion, and the Milky Way mirrored the sacred Nile. The pyramids at Giza were aligned with the stars, designed to guide the pharaohs into eternity. Temples themselves were cosmic instruments. Karnak's massive columns cast shadows marking solstices, while others were built so that the rising sun would flood sacred chambers only on the holiest days of the year. For Egypt, astronomy was not just practical, it was a bridge between earth and heaven, between mortal kings and immortal gods. Across the ocean, civilizations of the Americas built their own cosmic monuments. The Maya of Central America mastered the art of skywatching. Their astronomer priests tracked Venus, the moon, and the sun with astonishing precision. Interested in learning more about the history of astronomy? We have a near 30-minute documentary on the Historical History Channel that goes over ancient observations to modern-day discoveries. Link is in the description.